How rushes help keep your...
With a working holiday visa for...
New Zealand's rolling green pastures and mild climate make it one of the best places on Earth to raise dairy cattle. There are about 5 million people living here, and nearly 6 million dairy cows. That's right, more cows than humans. The dairy industry here isn't small, it's massive. It covers over 50% of New Zealand's agricultural exports, making it one of the country's biggest economic engines. New Zealand's 2 main islands stretch for nearly 1,000 miles, offering climates from subtropical Northland to alpine Canterbury. Average rainfall ranges between 40 and 120 inches a year, creating lush grasslands that stay green almost year-round. More than 6 million dairy cows graze across 4.5 million hectares of farmland. That's 1 cow for every man, woman, and child. The nation produces about 21 billion liters of milk annually, and dairy exports represent over 30% of all merchandise exports. Unlike many countries that rely on feedlots, most New Zealand cows graze outdoors for 300 days a year. This grass-based system keeps costs low, reduces animal stress, and produces milk naturally rich in nutrients. Breeds that built the empire. 3 breeds dominate Kiwi pastures. Holstein Friesian, large black and white cows, famous for high volume, ideal for milk powder and fluid milk. Jersey, smaller golden brown cows with the richest butterfat, perfect for cheese and butter. Kiwi Cross, a locally bred hybrid combining Holstein volume with Jersey quality and fertility. Each cow yields roughly 4,500 liters per year. The best farms push that beyond 5,000. Multiply that by 6 million and you get enough milk to fill more than 2,000 Olympic pools every year. From hand-churned to high-tech, the first cattle arrived with British settlers in the early 1800s. By the 1880s, small creameries dotted rural villages and cooperatives formed to pool resources. The invention of refrigerated shipping in 1882 let butter and cheese reach London without spoiling, launching the export era. Through the 20th century, dairy became central to national identity. In 2001, more than 13 regional cooperatives merged into Fonterra Cooperative Group, now supplying around 30% of global dairy trade. Inside, eat a modern Kiwi dairy farm. A typical farm milks between 400 and 1,000 cows twice a day. Cows graze in paddocks divided by electric fencing. At milking time, they stroll voluntarily to a rotary milking platform, a slowly turning carousel that handles up to 800 cows per hour. Robotic cups attach automatically. Sensors record milk flow, temperature, and conductivity to detect early mastitis. All data syncs to cloud-based dashboards farmers monitor on their phones. Many herds wear smart collars tracking rumination, walking speed, and even heat stress. If one cow eats less or walks slower, the system alerts the farmer instantly. Feed and nutrition science. The backbone of Kiwi milk is grass. Perennial ryegrass and white clover dominate, delivering natural protein and energy. In winter or drought, farmers add silage, maize, or barley grain blends made on farm. Large operations use automatic feed wagons that weigh and mix ingredients precisely. Some use NIR scanners to test forage quality in real time, adjusting diets daily. This precision feeding reduces methane emissions and keeps milk components, fat, protein, lactose, within ideal export standards. From farm to world, butter, milk, and exports. Around 95% of milk produced in New Zealand leaves the country. Top products include whole milk powder, skim powder, butter, cheese, casein, and infant formula. Major buyers: China, the US, Japan, Indonesia, the Middle East, and Latin America. You've likely tasted it. Anchor butter, mainland cheese, on-lane milk powder, all made from New Zealand milk. In 2024, dairy exports reached over $21 billion, accounting for roughly 7% of national GDP. Economic impact and rural life dairy employs about 50,000 people directly and supports another 30,000 in processing, transport, and technology. A single 700-cow farm can inject millions into local communities through wages, maintenance, and feed purchases. Rural towns like Morrinsville, Ashburton, and Matamata thrive on dairy revenue. Even small schools schedule holidays around calving season. The government treats agriculture as a strategic industry, balancing profit with environmental care. Government support and regulation agencies such as Dairy NZ, Ag Research and MPI, Ministry for Primary Industries, guide farmers through training and compliance. Initiatives include Sustainable Dairy Water Accord, protects rivers from runoff. He Waka Iki Noa Partnership creates a roadmap to cut agricultural greenhouse gases. Rural Connectivity Program brings broadband to remote valleys for data-driven farming. Technology and Machinery Revolution step inside a new generation dairy shed. Rotary and robotic milking parlors reduce labor by 40%. Instant milk chillers cool milk to 39° Fahrenheit within seconds. Automatic cup cleaners sanitize between cows for food safety. Drones map pastures, detect weeds and track animal movement. GPS tractors spread fertilizer with inch-level precision. Some farms run entirely on solar power or biogas from cow manure, cutting costs and emissions simultaneously. Pake. Genetics and breeding innovation. Behind every productive cow is decades of genetic work. Breeders use genomic sequencing to select bulls that pass on high yield and fertility. Artificial insemination and embryo transfer spread elite genetics quickly. The national herd improves each year. More milk per cow, longer lifespan, smaller carbon footprint. Selective breeding for feed efficiency means cows now need 15% less grass for the same milk output compared with 20 years ago. Yinlat. Animal Welfare and Health. New Zealand's Animal Welfare Act 1999 demands humane treatment. Cows graze freely, have shade and shelter, and receive vet checks year-round. Most calves stay on their mothers for several days before transitioning to calf sheds with milk replacers and straw bedding. Routine hoof trimming, vaccination, and parasite control keep herds healthy. Stress-free animals produce sweeter, higher quality milk, a fact every farmer here believes in deeply. Challenges on the horizon. Even paradise has problems. Climate variability brings droughts in the north and floods in the south. Global price volatility affects farmer income. Still, resilience defines New Zealand farmers. They adapt through technology, diversification, and collaboration. Adapting to climate change. Farmers now invest heavily in resilience. Irrigation systems use soil moisture sensors to release water only when needed. Shelter belts of native trees block wind and store carbon. New grass species tolerate both frost and drought. Researchers test seaweed-based additives and nitrification inhibitors that can cut methane by up to 40%. By 2050, the goal is carbon-neutral dairy, proof that productivity and ecology can coexist. A day in the life of a Kiwi dairy farmer. Before sunrise, lights flicker across the paddocks. Farmers check pumps, mix feed, and bring in the first herd for milking. By 8 a.m., thousands of gallons flow into chilled stainless tanks. Midday means repairs, paperwork, and herd checks. Evening brings the second milking and data review. Yield, cell counts, feed intake. After dark, the farm hums quietly. Automation takes over monitoring. It's hard work, but most wouldn't trade it. Generations see dairy not as a job, but a calling, caring for animals and land that sustain them. Processing and quality control milk leaves the farm within hours in insulated tankers. At the processing plant, it's tested for bacteria, somatic cell count, protein, and fat. If anything falls outside standards, the load is rejected. Inside sterile facilities, milk is pasteurized, spray-dried into powder, or churned into butter. Automation ensures no human hand touches the product until packaging. Quality systems meet US FDA, EU, and Chinese regulations, which is why New Zealand dairy enjoys a premium reputation worldwide. The global supply chain, from processing plants, powdered milk, travels by truck to ports at Tauranga, Lyttelton, and Auckland. Each week, container ships carry thousands of tons of dairy goods across the Pacific. Because New Zealand is far from major markets, logistics efficiency is crucial. Fonterra uses AI algorithms to plan shipping routes that cut fuel use and delivery time. Even the byproducts, whey protein and lactose, are exported for sports nutrition and pharmaceuticals. Education and Research. New Zealand invests heavily in agricultural education. Institutions like Massey University and Lincoln University train future farm managers, veterinarians, and food scientists. Students learn everything from soil chemistry to robotic programming. Research centers test new milking prototypes, climate-resilient crops, and nutrient recycling systems. These partnerships ensure the next generation of farmers stays ahead of global competition. Community and culture. Dairy farming shapes local identity. Annual events like the National Field Days in Hamilton attract over 100,000 visitors. Families showcase inventions, tractors, and prize cows. Rural communities are tightly knit. Neighbors share equipment, labor, and advice. During floods or droughts, farmers form volunteer groups to rescue animals and deliver feed. It's a culture of cooperation that outsiders often admire. Sustainability and future vision. The next frontier is regenerative agriculture, focusing on soil health, biodiversity, and circular waste systems. Farmers experiment with compost teas, multi-species pastures, and zero-tillage methods. The government supports carbon credit markets, rewarding farms that sequester carbon or generate renewable energy. Digital twins of farms simulate water use, predicting future yields under different climate scenarios. The vision is clear: maintain profit while leaving the land healthier for the next century. Global reputation and trust around the world. Made in New Zealand on a milk package means clean, safe, sustainable. International chefs prefer Kiwi butter for its flavor and high fat content. Infant formula manufacturers trust it for purity and strict testing. That trust didn't happen overnight. It's the result of transparency, cooperative governance, and decades of consistency. Closing. The heart of Kiwi dairy. From the misty fields of Waikato to the glacier-fed plains of Canterbury, every drop of milk carries a story of soil, science, and soul. New Zealand proves that a nation can feed the world while honoring the earth that feeds it. So, next time you pour a glass of milk or spread butter on toast, remember, it might have started on a family farm half a world away, where dawn breaks over green hills and cows graze under a rising sun. If you enjoyed exploring the heart of Kiwi dairy life, like, share, and subscribe for more stories about global farming, sustainability, and innovation.